Hey, have you ever seen an animal that jumps fast with a pouch on its belly? Yup, that's a kangaroo. Kangaroos are unique marsupials from Australia that can jump up to 9 meters in a single leap. Interestingly, female kangaroos have a special pouch to carry their babies, called joeys. When born, a joey is only the size of a bean and must crawl into its mother's pouch to grow. Even though they look cute, kangaroos are also strong. With their powerful hind legs, they can deliver incredibly strong kicks to defend themselves. And here's another fun fact. Kangaroos can't walk backward due to their unique body shape and legs. Those are some cool facts about kangaroos. See you in the next video.